Let's talk about the Air Max Scorpion Barely Vote. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Man, your boy got him. Your boy got him. And I'm just disappointed. I'm just upset because I have a wide foot and I should have got these in size 12. And your boy gonna take these back, man. Your boy gonna take them back because it just, certain shoes I could fit with no problem. But these are just too narrow. But let's talk about how these shoes look. Now, for $250, I think that's a little bit too much. If this shoe was maybe $215, maybe $225. But, oh, and your boy drinking that goose. Cheers. All right. But the shoe's all right, man. I'm 5'11", and this shoe, you know, get your boy up there 6 feet tall. But for $250, if the shoe, if it didn't hurt my feet, I'll probably keep it. But I think I'm gonna send this back tomorrow. And this is, I mean, I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this shoe. I just don't know what I was thinking. The air bubble, I can get with that. I mean, I can live with that. Like, I'm not tripping, but for $250, and your boy really wanted those foam posits, the ones that came out that was hard to get, they sold out too. For $250, yeah, for those, but for these, nah, man, your boy's sending them back, man. I'm gonna use that money to try to get the Jordan 3 Reimagined or Nike Air Max. I'm feeling those, not Air Max, I'm sorry. The Air Force One, the all patent leather. I got them for my son. And those look fly. But these right here, your boy just not feeling them, man. I'm not that green. It just, when I seen the picture, I'm like, damn, it look cool. The picture, it look dope on the picture. I go on there, these hoes didn't even sell out. Ain't nobody making YouTube videos about this, man. Ain't nobody talking about this shoe, which I ain't tripping on that because I buy shoes that I like. I don't give a damn, you know, what the next man like, but these right here, I'm just not feeling them for $250, man. Yeah, maybe $175, $185, but nah, man, your boy. But if you do get these, go half size up. I recommend you go a half size up. These don't fit true to size, man. I mean, take that chance if you want to. That's on you. But yeah, this shoe here, we gonna, I think we're gonna take it back, get that $250 back, man. Your boy just ain't feeling this. His tongue fly, say Air Max on the tongue, and it say something right here. It might say Air Max 2 right there. Then you have a Nike check right here. But your boy gonna send them back. I had them on outside, so hopefully they don't trip. But yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. I really don't know. What, I mean, drop a comment, man. Y'all think these hot? I mean, I don't know, man. I don't see no videos. I don't know if nobody got them. The air bubble look crazy. And I knew that. But again, I think if it wasn't narrow and it wasn't hurting my goddamn feet, your boy will keep them, man. But I can live without these. I want my $250 back. I want my $250 back, man. I like the old Air Max, the Vapor Max. Vapor Max Plus, I can't remember the name of them, but these right here, I'm good on these, man. I'm good on them. Shoestrings trash. Look at that. I guess, they match with the Nike check, but they give you some extra laces right here. So I don't know, man. But what say y'all? Is these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them? Did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.